Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Nokia 3.1 Plus. This is the upgraded version of my last video 3.1. This is the 3.1 Plus. The major difference you will find is here. This phone has around 6 inch of display, and it has 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear camera on the back and 3500 mAh of battery capacity, and also a fingerprint sensor on the back. As you can remember, or if you look into my last video, you will find out that it doesn't has a 3.1 model, doesn't has a fingerprint sensor, and also this is an octa-core processor. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and we'll see what we get with this device. So here we go. It has a seal. We need to tear this up. Today I have left my camera gear somewhere. I'm unable to find, so sorry my friends, doing it on one hand. Please bear with me. So as you can see here, I have teared the seal here. Now we will drop the phone out. Maybe not drop it. So here we go. Okay, 3.1. Okay, here is the phone in flash. Let's pull this up. So as you can see, it's kind of handy, but I feel it's big. It's 6 inch, so it is big. I will keep my Pixel 3 beside it, and as you can see here, the size is quite same, but the difference is the display. This is a 5.5 inch and this is a 6 inch display. So let's open this up. Okay, yes, we are done here. So let's keep this paper here, therefore it's better to not face. And my friends, this has a back of metal back, so don't worry about any of the glass back of this phone. So it has a metal back, and it has, wow, the textured finish to it. It has a very matte finish to it, and I like the back, and all the sides are also blue, and you can see the display. So let us see and boot it up. Wow, it has some juice inside here. Android One. Wow, the display looks real nice. So let this boot it up and we will dig inside. I'll keep this aside. So as usual, the Nokia has provided the SIM ejector tool here, and some paperworks like Nokia preloaded support app, and there are some quick start guides. That's all. Keep this aside. And inside here, okay, it's a normal box. We get a fast charger here. This is a fast charger. I think it's a fast charger, so let me take it. Yes, it is a fast charger. I think no, it has 5 volt 2 ampere, so it is a normal charger. Since this phone doesn't support fast charger, I don't think that Nokia will provide the fast charger inside this phone. And we get the power cable, and also it can be used as a data cable which goes inside this power brick, and you can use it. So this is a micro USB cable. Yes, this one thing is back, and also we get Nokia earbuds. These are not that good, but it's manageable at this price. So let's put all this aside and take this phone out. And we need to skip all this setup. This is the usual setup. Let me do this. So it is booted up. So as you can see, my friends, the display is really nice. As you can see here, it has no blue shift or anything on the display. It is really nice. The glass quality is good too, and it is pretty fast to use. I was not expecting with the 3 gigs of RAM that this would be that much of fast, but it is really fast. So as you can see here, we have the as usual Nokia apps. Like there are not none of Nokia apps except this one support app. Rest all is pure Google. That's what we'll get with this device. And also I think out of the box it might be in Android 8.1.0, but it will be updated to Android 9 immediately. I haven't connected to Wi-Fi. If I will connect, I will show you out. It will be easier for you too. Let me connect this. So let us check here the software update. And as you can see here, after connecting to Wi-Fi, it's directly downloading Android 9 Pie with February security patch. That means after the first update, I will be getting the latest security patch in this device. The update is 1.182 GB. So you will be needing around 1.5 GB data before downloading this. And also my friends, you can download this with your mobile data also. Don't worry about it. So let's check the phone hardware what we get here. So this is a volume rocker. Feeling is good. Power button. And we don't get anything on this side. On the below there are speaker grills and microphone grills. Don't be confused about these two speakers. One is speaker and one is microphone grill. And this side we get a SIM ejector, dual SIM ejector, and a micro SD expansion port. There is a 3.5 jack, headphone jack, and here is another microphone for noise cancellation and video recording. And we get two camera here as we had checked on the box. One is 13 and one is 5, and LED flash with the fingerprint sensor. So that's all my friends. And also we get a front facing camera. I forgot about that. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for Nokia 3.1 Plus. And if you have any doubts about this device, and if you want to know anything, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.